And Chad, if you would hang on, we're going to get you right to your calls after the bottom of the hour. But right now, it is a very, very busy Richard Michaelis joining us on the program. I got the whole crew out today, Richard.
Morning, Pat. How are you?
We're doing well.
Yeah, we're busy. We had a commercial water loss come in early this morning about 2, and it's one of the hotels downtown, and it's a major water loss. It's flooded most of the restaurant area. So we're doing what we do best. We're out there, drying it out and trying to get the drying equipment in place and get them back open so they can
do you guys
do the best.
Do you guys have the red lights that are in all of your employees' homes with sirens, and you hit it and the master switch on?
And you know what? His staff, they drive these trucks, these dry out trucks,
right.
And they have a guy on each bumper like the old
really
firefighters.
Do they have headsets like the firefighters?
Yeah, they do.
So how many people are down there?
I was actually thinking it'd be more like Batman. They run and jump on this pole and slide down and get into their little uniforms and shoot out the door.
Yeah.
I don't think we've got much more than 12 people down there, and we'll kind of teeter off. So, moving content around and extracting the water, that's the first thing. Well, obviously the first thing is fixing the plumbing, getting the water to stop. But once we start that process, we'll start pulling bodies because the drying equipment actually does its job after that.
Just out of curiosity, was it fire protection plumbing or was it sanitary plumbing? What was it?
I don't know. I'm heading down after this show this morning, and I'll know more. But the pictures look like it was some type of a sprinkler head.
Yikes!
Yeah. Good old fire protection. So.
Well, Richard, there's nobody better. Do you still have that big truck? And have you named the big truck that is the desiccant truck, the one that drives? Have you named that beast yet?
Yeah, call it Denny.
The techs have named it, and I don't remember the name, but it was kind of a cute like Bertha or Big Bertha, but I don't remember Denny. But they've got their favorite names.
We had a sewer jet once, and we had to name the sewer jet contest, and it ended up the client named it Flo, which I thought that was good.
Oh,
Flo,
that's adorable. That's so funny. Richard, I'll let you get back to work. Thanks for the checking in with us. It's the Michaelis Corporation. That's a great example. They are available 24/7, 365. Yes, 2 o'clock in the morning on a Saturday includes that. The Michaelis Corporation, 844-FIX-INDY. The Michaelis Corporation, construct, renovate, restore.